Managing documentation is usually mean one thing: endless searching, manual updates, a lot of wasted time. But what if your AI tool will actually connect to your knowledge base, understand it, and even create content for you automatically? And exactly what Document360 new MCP features is all about. In this video, I'm going to show you how MCP connects like ChatGPT directly to your documentation and how you can use it to create and manage and scale content way faster. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the AI channel and follow me for more dedicated videos in the future, and let's get started. So before we see how you can connect to MCPs, we can go to the landing page to check all the information and everything. So connect your knowledge base to AI with MCP. You can search, create, and update documentation directly from AI assistant without manual copy paste or complex API integration. You can see trusted by global brands like Pioneer, Human, Panaya, McDonald's, and big brands. So make AI your documentation collaborator. You can content creation, you can eliminate manual content transfer for developer experience, reduce engineering complexity, and for ecosystem, work with any AI assistant. And lastly is security with maintain governance and control.
That's where MCP, the Model Context Protocol, comes in. It connects your knowledge base directly to AI, making information instantly accessible and usable. With MCP, teams can move faster, reduce manual work, and deliver accurate answers in seconds. Here's how it works. A user asks a question. MCP retrieves the most relevant knowledge from your documentation. Then AI uses that context to generate a precise response. Document360 takes MCP even further by providing a structured, reliable knowledge base built specifically for AI-powered workflows. At the same time, MCP ensures your data stays secure with strong access control and governance built in.
Slower workflow and higher engineering efforts. But with MCP, you can get all of that. By the way, they are running a free trial of 14 days. So you can get a 14 days as a free trial if you create your account right now. So how to create an account? Click on start free trial, and then you got here knowledge base. You click on knowledge base, whatever you want. So what do you want to create? Knowledge base, documentation, AI chatbots, it's up to you. So click next. What industry are you in? For example, SaaS. How large your company? Startup. Next, and here your name and everything, and you got the free trial and your account ready to start. So now let's move how you can connect your MCP of Document360 with ChatGPT. Guys, when you create your account, go here and go to settings, and then AI settings, MCP, and then you will find here enable MCP. Click enable MCP, allow access, and here you will get details, custom connectors. Click on get details, and you will get here configuration. Copy this link. You will need it to connect it with your ChatGPT, and then click OK. So right now we got here enabled MCP, and we got here from get details you get the link to configure your bot with ChatGPT. Okay, so now we're gonna move to ChatGPT to connect the MCP. After you go to ChatGPT, by the way, you need to a subscription just for $5 in ChatGPT to create a agent or to create a tool in ChatGPT. So click here, go to settings, and then you will find here apps, and click on advanced settings. Apply developers mode, activate it, and then you will see here create app. Click on create app, name it, for example, lexaicollab, and click description wherever you want, and MCP server URL. So you got here the URL, paste it, and click here, choose the authenticator here, and everything is good. Advanced settings, there's also advanced settings, and yes, everything look perfect. Okay guys, so you can see here our MCP has been connected with ChatGPT, and you can see your documentation on Document360. So everything is ready to go in. So now we're gonna test it and see how is it work and if it's working right.
So after connecting our knowledge base through Document360 using MCP, we wanted to test how well it actually works in practice. We asked ChatGPT a question: just like a user would, something simple and relevant to our documentation. Instead of giving a generic answer, it responded with information that clearly came from our own knowledge base. What was interesting is that when we checked the source, we were able to find that exact information inside our Document360 articles. That confirmed that the system wasn't just guessing, it was actually retrieving and using our documented content. This showed us that the integration is working as intended. ChatGPT can understand the question, search within our knowledge base, and return accurate answers based on what we've written. In other words, our documentation is no longer just static content, it's now actively powering intelligent response.
Also, if you want to search about, like, for example, MCP, okay, wait, and then you will find documents 360 MCP integration talking about MCPs. Or, for example, you want to search about any problem, any case here in the documents, you just need to write the word here, and document 360 will find it for you. For example, if we write something like here in documents, build a support chatbot, and we put here in search, for example, wait, we put here in search, we will find here build a support chatbot here. You can find it here. And any ideas to take further, enhance, let's take another thing, automate workflow. You can put here the word, and he can find it for you. For example, here, he found it for us. So yes, that's it.
Now I'll send this article to Document360 using MCP. At this step, ChatGPT uses the MCP integration to pass the generated content directly to Document360. Once the request is processed, the article is automatically added to the selected category in Document360. Here you can see the reset password guide has been successfully created. The formatting is preserved, including the headings, sections, and numbered steps, making it ready for use without additional editing. This workflow demonstrates how MCP enables seamless integration between ChatGPT and Document360. We also looked at the pricing section of Document360 to better understand how the platform scales for different users. There are three main plans: professional, business, and enterprise. Each one is designed for a different level of need, starting from smaller teams that want to manage documentation efficiently all the way up to large organizations that require advanced security and customization. As we move from professional to business and then to enterprise, we can see that more advanced features are added, such as analytics dashboards, integrations with other tools, and enhanced security options like single sign-on and audit trails. What's interesting is that AI features are included across these plans, such as Eddy AI, which supports content creation, search, and automation. This shows that AI is not just an add-on, but a core part of how the platform works. Overall, the pricing structure reflects how Document360 can grow with a company, from basic documentation needs to a fully integrated enterprise-level knowledge management system.
Guys, that was the video today. Hopefully you love it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and go to check, or if you want to try it, you will find the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.